Hey guys, we received this 9 by 16 inches or 14 mm 2 pieces TCT carbide hole saw kit for test and try. So this is for the metal or heavy duty hole cutter drill bit set, and where you can use to drill in or the kit for metal thing. So cut stainless steel, iron, aluminium or the wood or plastic. You can easily put it in your tool guide or and then adjust it accordingly and then use it. So it's a nice quality, as you can see, with the edged Y10 YG10 carbide blade, coated center drill bit and the ejectable spring. So you can easily put in and then use. So nice quality drill set. So the two pack, and you can just use it easily with this work.